So constitutionalism, the essence of this word is in having a government which is having limited powers. A government, if it has unlimited powers, we will not have constitutionalism. What will we have? ठीक है? Despotism. Isn't it? Arbitrariness, despotism, dictatorship, whatever we name. So when there is constitutionalism, it means that we are having effective checks on the government also. We are having effective checks on the government will not have undefined powers. मान लीजिए आपने एक गार्ड अपॉइंट किया, आपने उस गार्ड को रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाकर दे दिए that these are the rules for entry and exit to the society, you enforce them. अब अगर वो गार्ड एक डंडा उसके हाथ में आ गया, वो अपने आप को इतना पावरफुल समझने लगे कि वो अपनी मर्जी से जो मन पड़े वो करना शुरू कर दे. What happens? You created the state for your convenience. You created the state to ensure that you are able to live peacefully in some rules and regulations. Isn't it? इसका एक और एग्जांपल आता है ट्रैफिक लाइट. Isn't it? Your roads, they are having traffic lights. Why? जहां भी ट्रैफिक लाइट नहीं होगा या फंक्शन नहीं है, we can look at chaos. Isn't it? If you don't have a traffic light, what happens? There is a crossing. There is a road where people have to cross the road. What happens? You know, vehicles, they all try to cross the road at the same time. It will result into chaos. You will get a traffic jam within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. अगर ट्रैफिक लाइट आपका काम नहीं कर रहा है. Why? Because there is no rule. Isn't it? We have a traffic light to ensure what? To ensure that all of us are having convenience. हमें पता तो है 2 मिनट में क्लियर हो जाएगा. Because the red light is on, the moment the red light is off and the green light is on, we will have to cross the road. So when we are talking about the state or when we are talking about the government, the purpose is to have convenience for ourselves. The purpose is not to create an entity which is having so much powers that it tries to dominate us all. ठीक है? अब आपने ट्रैफिक लाइट पे एक ट्रैफिक पुलिस को आपने अपॉइंट कर दिया. अब वो ट्रैफिक पुलिस क्या है कि जब मेरी मर्जी होगी तब आप जाओगे वरना नहीं जाओगे. Then what happens? It becomes arbitrariness. It becomes despotism. Isn't it? So constitutionalism is the essence of having the essence of this word constitutionalism is that we are having a government which itself is subjugated to some checks and balances. It is having limitations when it comes to its powers. ठीक है? आपने जिसको अपॉइंट किया उसके ऊपर भी आपने कुछ चेक्स रखे हुए हैं कि जब जरूरत पड़े इसको हटा भी सकते हैं. ठीक है? You have not created that entity which is having undefined powers. The state is for the citizens. Citizens are not for the state. ठीक है? We should be very, very clear about it. We are creating the state for our own convenience. The state is not created to harass the citizens itself. ठीक है? हमने अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए स्टेट को बनाया, हम स्टेट के लिए एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं. We cannot become, you can say, dots. So कई बार होता है ना कि आप individuals को dots मान लेते हैं. You treat individuals as somebody who is just there. You can do whatever you want with the individuals. No. The state cannot do anything which it wants to do with the individuals. Individuals will decide what the state can do, what the state cannot do. So that is the essence of constitutionalism. ठीक है? So prelims में कई बार इसका मतलब पूछा गया. Limited government, lack of arbitrariness, these are all different ways to talk about constitutionalism. ठीक है? So constitutionalism is important. Constitution is a method through which we may achieve constitutionalism. ठीक है? End goal हमारा क्या होगा? What is the end goal? We want to have constitutionalism. We want to have constitutionalism so that the government which we have created, the state which we have created, even that state is not having undefined arbitrary powers. It is also subjugated to some checks, some limits, some checks and balances. So that all of us are living peacefully, we are able to use the resources to our maximum possible potential. ठीक है? So constitution is just a means to achieve constitutionalism. और constitutionalism भी ultimately end नहीं है. ठीक है? If you look at, so we want to have a constitution. Through that we want to have constitutionalism. And constitutionalism also is not the end. इससे भी हम क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं? ठीक है? What is our end goal? We decided that we want predictability. Isn't it? Predictability कैसे होगी? जब सब laws follow करेंगे. When everyone is following the law, we are very sure what is going to happen. ठीक है? If somebody violates the law, there is an action, the person will be punished. ठीक है? तो आपको अगर ये पता है कि law ये बना हुआ है, इसमें ये allowed है, इसमें ये नहीं allowed है. If you do something which is not permitted in the law, you will face the consequences. You will not try to do that. So what happens? You are having predictability. So end goal is what? Rule of law. We want law to be prevailing over everyone. Nobody should be beyond law.